Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today, I will be showing you how to create an avatar video with the help of AI. This website is absolutely free for now and without spending much time, let's go into the video. Please, like and subscribe for more and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yeah, the first thing we're going to do is to go to this website. It's an amazing website and it's absolutely free for now. So you go to this website and click on OK, or you can just double search it, and the first one it prompts out, just click on it. Now what we're going to do is to make sure it changes to English from the default language. Now what we're going to do is to click on login and register. Then make sure you register if you don't have an account. You can just fill in the required details here, but I already have an account, so just go to login instead and just fill in my email address. And when you're done, just click on start creating. It is as easy as that. You get an notification message, login successful. Now all you have to do is to, this is the environment of it. You have a video creation. There is oral broadcast video creation. We have an AI marketing copy generation. We have an AI text dubbing, and we have an AI models and AI smart cutout. The one we're going to be doing today is video creation. Yeah, we can just go to video creation. It's more than 70 kinds of real life digital characters, supporting multi languages, text to speech. Okay, just click on start creating. Alright, guys, now you can see we have more than 50 characters to choose. Anyone you desire, you can choose, and this is fully customizable to your taste and your desire. So all you have to do is to pick a character. You can either pick these or any of these. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. Okay, you can pick any of the choice. Okay, let's say I pick this guy here. So come to the display, you see in language type, it has over 150 languages that you can choose from. Select the desirable language. I'll be choosing English. Then go to the character tone. Okay, let me just David. Okay. Now just type in your text here, whatever text you want to convert to an avatar image or video. Now click on it and just prediction.
Hello guys and welcome
So
to
when you're
Techland.
done,
Today, I will be showing you how to create an avatar video with the help of AI. This website is absolutely free for now and without spending much time, let's go into the video. Please, like and subscribe for more and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
just click on generate video. Later forget you can also adjust the speech rate here and also adjust the tone. When you don't click on generate video,
Hello guys and welcome.
So it will take approximately 5 minutes to complete. You can just click on generate video here. And as you can see, these are all the videos I've created. So it's completed in the next 5 minutes. These an amazing feature I would like to tell you guys about, which is an text to speech. You can just click on it and just click on create now. Then select your desired language. Okay, I think my network is a bit slow, but hope you guys get the idea. Just copy it and paste your text. Then to just read out everything to you in form of speech. You can select your desired language and the character tone here also. Yeah, if you want to see your projects or your videos, all you have to do is to go back to my project. Then you see everything, and you can as well, when you're done, you can download the subtitle, download voice, you can also delete, and you can download the video and everything together. Just all you have to do is to click on download, then to be downloaded to your folder. As you can see, this is my video here.
Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today, I will be showing you how to create an avatar video with the help of AI. This website is absolutely free for now and without spending much time, let's go into the video. Please, like and subscribe for more and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hello guys.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notification